Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix BattleBit Remastered attempting to join a server error, right? So the first thing what you need to do here is to exit and relaunch the game. Sometimes it fixes the problem. Also, you can restart your computer in the same time, and sometimes it fixes the problem. I know it's super self-explanatory, but it helps for a bunch of people, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to check your internet connection. So you need to go to the browser, you need to go to, for example, speedtest.com, and then you just need to test your internet speed, right? And if you're getting good internet speed, more than 10 MBS per second, you're good to go. If basically it's not the case. So more than 10 Mbps on upload and download, it's quite good speed for this game. So if you're having more than that, you don't need to worry about that. But if you have less than that, then maybe limit some devices or restart your router and try again. And sometimes also is on Steam and the problem is on the Steam end, so you need to go to steamstat.us and look if on your server there is no server issues, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to then open up command prompt or cmd and run this program as administrator here. And then here you just need to write ip config /+DNS, and then after you get this message, then you need to write mesh winsock reset, right? And then if the problem restart your computer, and if the problem persists, then locate your this little internet access icon here, go to network and internet settings, and go to advanced network settings and do the network reset. But if you're using Wi-Fi, keep in mind that you will need to basically put your password again. So if you're using Ethernet, you don't need to do basically nothing, but if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to know your Wi-Fi password, so keep in mind that. And if this doesn't help, then go to more network adapter options, locate your network and disable for a few seconds and enable again. Then go to properties, make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then make sure to use the following DNS server addresses here. And here on preferred DNS server, just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.